Hey guys, welcome to this Linux course by Intellipat. So first in this video, we'll be looking at what we'll be learning in the first module of this course. So before that, I'll give a brief introduction to this particular course. So in this Linux course, we'll have 10 different modules studying various different aspects of a Linux system and a Linux environment. So let's get started and check the first module, which is the Introduction to Linux modules agenda. So first we'll be doing a quick introduction to Linux. We'll be learning who created it, how it came, how it became so popular, and more facts about that. Then we'll look at the basics of shell and kernel. So these we'll learn what they are in this particular video. So then we'll go ahead and learn basic Linux commands. Before that, we'll install Linux on our system. I'll show you how to do that on a virtual machine. So after that, only then we can start off working off with basic Linux commands. So once that is done, we'll use the command echo. We'll learn what it is, why it can be used, how it can be used. And then we'll also learn about set and unsetting variables. So unset and set are again few commands, and expr expression is also a command. We'll be learning that too. And finally, we'll be learning the header file of a shell script. So the shebang, which is the hash and the exclamation mark together. So we'll be learning about that too, because in every single shell program in shell script, you will have to add this. If you don't add this, also it will automatically consider it has hash, exclamation and bin/sh. So these things we'll be understanding the later session in the next session. So first in this particular video, we'll just understand the agenda. So this is what we are going to do in the first module of Linux course. So let us go ahead and let me meet you in the next session.